started. Lord have mercy, technology. So here's the thing. Somebody called me and we were talking, and they brought up this idea that a friend of theirs is not speaking to them, and they don't know why. If you're friends with somebody and they've offended you, you got to tell them why. You can't just not saying nothing. How can they help resolve it? Maybe you misunderstood it. Maybe it was out of context. If you're friends with somebody and that's your person you call sister, you call them your brother, you say that you're their friend or whatever, if they have done something that you find to be offensive, don't you owe that person at least a phone call? I know a lot of people don't want to be confrontational. They don't want to say anything, but rather you just keep going and keep it in your head and creating your own cinematic movie in your head about what you think the person did or said, or worse yet, you just hold on to being offended and not give the person who's your friend an opportunity to clear the air. Say something.